Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be going over some of the supplies that I have in the Crown Vic for the coronavirus. So I got my backpack right here. We're going to sit in the car and go over all the supplies. Usually keep them in the car just for safety measures. So of course we all know about the virus going around, and of course you need to make sure you take measures, have you some supplies or other things that will help keep you, virus free if possible. Starting with some wipes. Some Lysol wipes, I just keep these inside of the vehicle. These are the only ones I don't keep in the bag. Other than that, we got the bag right here. I just got a basic bag. I got this from Academy Sports. And we'll just go ahead and start. Put that on there. Put this equipment. Now, no, I'm not a doomsday prepper or anything like that. I only started this right here since the virus came along. So right now there's nothing in this zipper right here in the front. So all right, now first we got us a couple lighters. This is something different. Something to start a fire if need be. You never know what might happen with that. Lights might go out or anything. So at least we got a way to start a fire. It's got like a little small canteen right here on the side. A little camping gear there. How about we open this part first? This is what people, see, need that right there. So these are some masks, 3M, should be heavy duty enough to keep you safe. I got a bunch of those, so that's that part. Yeah, racked up on those. So mask wise, ready to go. I think it's like 4 in the pack on these. And the other pack is 5 in the pack. All right, next, mandatory on the list. You gotta have your first aid kit. This has 205 pieces, as you see right there. Gloves, alcohol wipes. Just the alcohol wipes and gloves alone, this pack is definitely worth it. All right, so I just got some more. Now I'm not sure these gonna do anything, but these are wipes. If you're working on the car or anything, hey, anything that cleans your hands off may help. So they're pretty, easy to get in and out. People have bought up all of the other, Lysol brand and stuff, but I believe these are heavy duty, so they should work. Hand cleaner towels, so don't hurt. Just a little. These like some nunchucks, but they're like some lights. If it get dark or anything, you're stuck out and about. What else we got here? Some batteries. Cheap batteries, but they will work. And that's a flashlight. I just haven't put it in here yet. That's that. There's some more little lights in the bottom of it in that backpack. Little weaponry, not to harm anyone with or anything like that. Well, unless need be. But excuse that. This is a fire starter, and as you see, we got the paracord on the bottom. If you need a little rope or anything, we'll go ahead and open this up. And you can also use this. Check out the different spots if you have to take a boulder loose. So that's pretty neat. And you got your sharp piece right there. Never know. Got something in there. So we'll put that back in the pack later. And on to the next pocket. Little can opener, get somewhere that brings your canned food with you. What else we got in here? Some lighter fluid. Hey, stuff burning. And one little fork, something to eat with. Now, I don't have any food in this pack. Like I said, I keep it in the vehicle. I don't want to keep any food in it. But I will find something that's durable food-wise, or just a snack or something to keep in here, just in case, it takes a while before I get back home or anything like that. But other than that, that is what we have right here in the car. So let me know what you guys think. Have you prepped your vehicle or even your house? Let me know. Like I said, this stuff is great. You always, you know, first aid equipment, that is always best to keep in the vehicle. You know, you want to keep your little clean supplies, you know, maybe even keep your pack of masks in the vehicle. You know, all this stuff, like I said, is for the vehicle. Your wipes and whatnot, just so you can, you know, wipe your hands. Hey, y'all stay safe out there. And other than that, I will catch you on the next video.